If you want to learn how to achieve a reverse bombshell coils, then this video is for you. So grab your popcorn and walk through with me on this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to section the hair, of course, into the right and the left hand side. You just section your hair because the coils method are not going to be the same. The method you apply on the right hand side is not going to be the same for the left hand side. So I'll be using a 28 coil barrel. That's what I'll be using. Also, I'll be using a holding spray and of course your heat protectant. So let me show you guys how to coil the left hand side first. So the first thing of course to do is to section your hair. I like to do that in small parts. Like you section your hair, just cut out or section out a little hair, then you go in with your heat protectant. Make sure you comb your hair really well so it's going to be smooth. Then you go in with your barrel. You have to coil from under, like seen. Then when you are coiling, you make sure the hair comes out on the right hand side because I'm coiling the left side. When you are coiling, the hair should come out on the right hand side. Then you twist, like you try to open your coiler as shown on the video. Then you twist, you coil your hair. Yeah, that's the right way. You coil your hair. Then you have to let it sit for some seconds depending on the kind of hair you are coiling. It shall depend. You have to know and check. That's why I did the first one. The first one is just a try and error method. You check the kind of hair and how long the hair will hold coils before you determine the number of times, the number of seconds you leave the hair. Then after you're done with that, you go in with your holding spray. Then you clip. The best clip to use is actually a holding clip, the control clip rather. The iron control clip is actually the best for you to use. Then this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the hair. Then this one is for this coil method I'm going to use here now is going to be for the right hand side. When you are coiling on for the right hand side, what you have to do is to make sure your hair comes out on the left hand side. Then you rotate and rotate and rotate till you clip the whole of the hair, like down to the bottom. That's what you're going to do for the whole hair. Just always remember to check your hair. Your first coil should determine the number of seconds you let the hair, so the heat can go around the hair for the coils to hold for a long time. So once you drop your coils, do not just leave it. Make sure to clip it after using your holding spray. Make sure you clip it, whether with bobby pin or control clip. Just like I said, control clip is better. So I'm going to repeat the whole process for this right hand side, and I'm going to repeat the left hand side process too throughout the hair. So keep on watching, and if you have any question you can let me know in the comment section and I will attend to that. Okay, so make sure you like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.